going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to do up some pineapple apple ribs. We're going to hit it up with Heath Ryle's apple rub, and we're going to enhance the flavor with some other spices. We're going to go ahead and also use the Meatstick X Mini. We're going to see whether or not this works in the ribs. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Now, I've already patted them dry. We're going to go ahead and try to separate. Now don't throw these rib tips away. We're going to use these for another recipe later on down the road. Now let's go ahead and try to get this membrane off. Almost. There we go. We're going to go ahead and hit it up with some of that yellow mustard for our binder. Throw down some of that Heath Ryle's apple rub. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, some apple powder in there, some paprika, we're also going to put on there some pineapple powder. Pat that in there too. Flip these over. Today we're going to use the Pit Boss pellet grill. Love the way this color looks. There we go. Like I said, we're going to use the Pit Boss pellet grill. We're going to turn it on, turn it to smoke. Let all that nasty white smoke at the beginning exit out. You don't want any of that in your food. All that white smoke is exited. We're going to shut the lid. Now generally I would pull it up to my target temp and let it come up. But not this time. I'm going to leave it at smoke. Let it get up to the smoke temperature. I think it's about 165. And then I'm going to put the rack on the grill and let it smoke for at least an hour. Try to enhance that smoky flavor, because generally when I have ribs in there, I don't taste a lot of smoke. So I want to enhance that smoky flavor. So we're going to let it smoke for an hour. Alright, it leveled off at 175. So we're going to go ahead and throw this rack of ribs on there now. We're up to an hour, so we're going to go ahead and kick it up to 250 degrees. Open it up. Stick our Meatstick Mini in. Set our cook up. Go to smoke. Ribs have hit 165. We have spritzed them a couple times. Now we're going to go ahead and get them ready for being wrapped. I'm running out of squeeze butter, so bear with me here. Throw down some squeeze butter, some brown sugar. I'm going to pour down some pineapple juice. Pour a little pineapple juice on top. And there we go. Go ahead and throw these back on the smoker. Now I have reinserted the Meatstick probe back in, so we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and remove it from the grill now. It's been a couple hours. We're going to go ahead and unwrap the ribs, see what they look like. Got some nice pullback here. We're going to take these, throw some more shake on top. Throw them back on the grill for at least another half an hour. Let them set up, and then we're going to pull them. And we're done. All in all, it took about 3.5 hours to do. That includes the 1 hour of smoke time that we did. You know, much different of a timeline compared to the drum smoker with the Bronco or the offset smokers that I have. So, you know, interested to see how well of a smoke did the ribs take on, and how well of a cook the ribs did. Because I've not really done ribs in the pellet smoker before. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. They've got a pretty decent smoke ring in there, so that's a good sign. They look nice and smoky. Chose not to sauce them for a reason. I wanted to see that seasoning stand up to the pellet smoker before we go ahead and do a sauce version on the pellet smoker, since I've really not done ribs on the pellet smoker. I can definitely taste the apple and the pineapple flavoring coming through, the fruit flavors coming through. Today I used Bear Mountain pellets. So the hardwood flavor coming through the smoke was definitely more pronounced than the B&B competition blend that I've been using. You know, I was much more pleased with that smoke. The ribs taste nice and smoky. You know, I'm very pleased with the ribs. So I'm definitely going to use the pellet smoker in the future for these ribs. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.